Hi, my name is Max Chaplin and I am here with my friend Brainy Smurf and we are going to be discussing fault lines. When rocks are under extreme stress, they fracture. If these rocks, such as tectonic plates, are in motion, the fracture is called a fault. Here are some important terms for faults. The slip is the distance a rock moves along a fault. Faults lie at angles to the surface of the earth. This is called a dip. Hanging wall is the rock above the fault plane. Footwall is the rock below the fault plane. Dip-slip faults are faults where the rocks or planes are shifted vertically. There are different types of faults. Let's discuss a normal fault. During normal faults, the hanging wall drops down relative to the footwall. This occurs when plates are moving apart. It creates tension. Normal faults create mountain ranges. An example of a normal fault is the Zajac Fault in Utah. As you can see, the hanging wall is dropping relative to the footwall. The next type of fault is a reverse fault. The footwall drops down relative to the hanging wall. A thrust fault is a type of reverse fault where the fault plane is nearly horizontal. In reverse faults, the plates are being pushed together. An example is the mega thrust fault in southern Chile. Here, the footwall drops relative to the hanging wall. A strike-slip fault occurs when the plates move horizontally. The plates slide past each other. Strike-slip faults occur due to shear stress. The San Andreas Fault is the world's most famous strike-slip. As you can see, the plates are sliding past each other. Fault lines are where most earthquakes take place. Let's use the San Andreas Fault for an example. The North American plate and the Pacific plate move against each other. As they move, tension builds. When the plates suddenly jolt, energy is released and an earthquake occurs. Now, Brainy Smurf would like to share with you some historical earthquakes along fault lines.
The San Francisco quake of 1906.
This quake was a result of the San Andreas Fault. It destroyed San Francisco.
Alaska's Prince William Sound in 1964.
This quake was the result of two plates colliding. It was a reverse fault. The earthquake was so great it caused a tsunami and landslides.
The 1960 Valdivia earthquake.
Most powerful earthquake ever recorded. It was a result of a reverse fault as well. One tectonic plate was pushed under another plate.